guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make fresh strawberry mimosas. Not only am I going to show you how to make it with alcohol, but I'm also going to show you guys how to make it the virgin way for my ones who do not drink alcohol. With that being said, let's jump right into this video. To start off, you're going to need 1 pound of strawberry. You want to make sure you wash them, whether you set them out and allow them to dry or whether you pat dry them with a paper towel. They just need to be dry. Then you're going to cut the top of the strawberries off and you're going to hug the inside of them out. Next, you want to place the strawberries in a food processor or blender. Due to me being in the mountains and they had very little kitchen appliances, I had to use what I could use. So I found this potato masher and I did pretty good with it. After me looking for something else, whatever else I was looking for, I ended up finding a blender and it worked absolutely wonderful. So I highly suggest, if you have a blender or a food processor, do it that way, because this way it's a little hard, but it's doable. If you do use a blender or fruit processor, you want to begin by closing the strawberries. Then you want to blend them on low speed. Honey, this blender then came through. Yes, when you're not at home in your own kitchen with your own appliances, you got to make do what it do, and I did. I made do what it do, but I thank God for this blender, honey. It got the job done. But during the blending process, which I didn't do, if your strawberries is a little tart, you are able to put a little sugar in it and it sweeten it up just a little bit, not a whole lot. For what I have, I will put maybe a tablespoon of sugar in that mixture that you see here if I was going to add any sugar to it. The champagne that I like to use is Corbel Brut. You can get any kind of Brut champagne. They make different brands, but I like the Corbel brand, or also the Barefoot brand. I like either or. With that, the orange juice, I prefer to use real oranges and squeeze them, but I knew that the cabin did not have a juicer, so I wasn't even going to take myself through that. So I just used regular pulp free orange juice. Next, you want to take your strawberries and you want to put at least 1 tablespoon into each of your cups. So what you see here, I have 3 tall cups and I have 2 small cups, and the small cups are for the kids. So for the people who don't like alcohol, or you want mimosas without the alcohol, there is a version way. And to make it the version way, I use sparkling cider, and you can get that in any brand, you know, any kind of cider. Don't have to be the sparkling one, but the sparkling one just give it that little extra goodness. After your strawberries, you want to pour, whether you're using champagne or whether you're using apple cider, you want to pour it halfway to the glass. Then you want to finish it off with orange juice. Simple and easy. That's it for the mimosas. They quick, simple, and easy. On top of that, they are delicious. If you want to get fancy with it and garnish it, you can do what I'm doing and just cut your strawberry and sit it on the side of the glass. For the ones who do not drink alcohol, honey, this is for you too. You can look cute in the morning time with your mimosas. You don't have to not drink mimosas because you don't drink. They have version ones, and I just gave you an easy recipe for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my fresh strawberry mimosas. If you're new to my channel and you like these videos and want to see more videos like this one and many more to come, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload from your girl D. And to my subscribers out there, you already know I love you. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye!